beauty peeps. I'm so excited to be in this photo folio YouTube hop with Thandar from Minecraft Loft. Thank you so much for being the hostess with the mostest, Thandar. And we also have 5 other talented and creative designers. We have Rosa Kelly, Debbie Adams, Jennifer with Nana Keola, and Gina and me. So, after you watch my video, because you probably already watched Gina, Rosa, Thandar, and Debbie, after me, you'll go to Jennifer's channel, which the link will be down below. I'll have actually all the links in case you happen to see mine first, okay? So in order to be a part of the YouTube Hop and be eligible to win the prizes, you must watch all the videos and subscribe to each channel and comment, okay? So just don't forget those 3 things. And they will be checking your comment and subscription before the drawing, so be sure to have all your channels going, okay? So anyway, I'm so excited to share with you this really cute little folio that I made, and I used this paper collection Here and There by Tracy Smith by Photoplay Paper, okay? I really love this vintage antique travel paper with these gorgeous balloons and butterflies and the car. This is definitely masculine and feminine all in one together. Love the vintage cameras. I really truly love everything about this paper. I really do. I'm like obsessed. So anyway, I'm going to put this to the side real quick and we're going to get on into what I made. So a week or so ago over on the Photoplay Paper channel on Facebook, one of our designers, Monica Partridge, she created this beautiful folio using this paper line, and I decided, wouldn't it be fun to make a miniature version of kind of what she did, okay? So let's get on into it. So of course I used the travel themed paper with the script writing and stamps and all that kind of stuff, the newspaper, and then underneath it has that really cool vintage map. And then I used some of the stickers from the collection, and I used a Tim Holtz doorknob. I have some elastic here, and then I have some elastic here on this side as well, okay? And then also I have a cute little key and a hot air balloon. And so I'm just going to go over this real quick so you can see the outside of it. And what I love is that it just easily opens just like this. And I was thinking, if you're traveling and you want to take this with you, you could fit this in your purse or your bag or camera bag, whatever you want to do. And you can hold some, you know, pretty important information, or write down your itinerary, or even keep your itinerary in here. I love this little tag, Let the Adventure Begin. I thought it was really cute to use like a little arrow from a compass on here. And then, well, not a real compass. We know that. I think this is from Tim Holtz. But anyway, it just opens up on all 4 ends right here. So that way it's going to stay in like a pocket. So you have these 3 little cards in here. And I love, love the hot air balloon. Isn't it just gorgeous? I really do love it. And you can put some photos on the back of these. I love National Airlines, World Traveler. And then Fill Your Life with Adventures, Not Things. So super cute. And then you just close it back up and then turn your little arrow. Then right here, this is removable. So if you really want to take this out of here, you can, but you don't have to. So I will teach you how to make this. And I use some stamps from the collection too. I love this vintage airplane. And then I have It's Time for Adventure. Now, for the banner and the plane, I did use some clear embossing powder on here, and I really thought that it brought out the ink in here. And so I'm just going to go in a little bit closer. Now, I didn't use it on the words, okay, but I did use it on the plane and then on the banner, and I think it really makes it stand out. So anywho, then on this one, I combined Brutus Monroe's Gargoyle ink and the Locomotive ink to kind of emphasize my little balloon here. Now that I think about it, I wish I had just used Locomotive and made this a little bit lighter, but that's just me. I mean, I still think it looks great either way. And then also we have a beautiful butterfly, and they also come with die cuts too. So I really love how this turned out. So you could add photos in here, or you could just do a lot of journaling, or of course, you know, write down what you want to do. And then here on this last page, I wanted to leave this open so that I can put some photos. But anyway, I really love how this turned out. And if you do want to see the tutorial for this, I will be showing it on Facebook Live on PhotoPlay. So go to PhotoPlay Paper Facebook page, and I'll be there March 20th showing how to do the tutorial for this. So, and also you can check out Monica's tutorial that's on there as well if you want to make a larger version. So anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Don't forget to go to Jennifer next, and bye y'all. Can't wait to see who wins. Bye.